In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace spark plug boots on a Honda CR-V with a 2.4 liter engine. They're located in the engine area. After you raise your hood, you have to take off this plastic cover here. It is 4 10mm bolts. You can start by unplugging your coil first. You can push down on this tab here, or you can take a pick on the other end and lift up, pull straight to your right, that off to the side, 10mm bolt holding it in. Take your coil, pull straight up, and that's your coil. All right, now I have my coil over at the bench. We need to replace these 2 rubber boots. You can just take your screwdriver, peel back that will pop right off. Take your new boot, slide it over, make sure it's seated. Same thing with the other side. You can peel it back with a screwdriver, get behind there and peel it down. Slide it down the coil. Take your new one. This has a little ridge. That ridge goes in. Slide it up your coil. Make sure that ridge goes inside the coil piece here. Take some dielectric grease. Give it a little dab where it seats onto the spark plug. And let's get ready to install it on the spark plug. Take your coil, slide it down in your tube, push it down. Take your 10mm bolt, tighten that, and that gets torqued down to 9 foot-pounds. Take your plug, install it back onto your coil, wait for your click, install your plastic plate, put your 4 10mm bolts back in, tighten those. And those get torqued down to 9 foot-pounds. There you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.